Hey guys, so I got some time lapse for you. I'm gonna put in after that, or after this. I had there's a bunch of people around and stuff, so it was just easier to do time lapse, and I can edit some of the stuff out. But so working on the Ppump 6.7, as you guys seen in there, I was gonna use 425s because I thought I had 3 sets, but I can't find a full set, so that always poses an issue. So what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna buy a set of head studs for this. I'm gonna buy the expensive exotic ones, only because I can get them in like one day. So that's what we're gonna do. So anyways, we put the camshaft and lifters in it. The retainer plate, it's a stage 4 Colt cam, and we got the oil pan on, and the head is just on there with a couple studs, and then we got the valve cover. This is the valve cover I'll be using, and obviously it'll be on and off a couple times here yet. But anyways, we'll go on with the time lapse and we'll go from there. All right, so we're just putting the pickup tube on there. I will be going over some of this stuff because I realize I put the camshaft and all that stuff in. So, but I've just showed it in a couple other videos too, but just want to do that. So I'm using a 6.7 head gasket, which I talked before with the VP44 head and drilled the steam holes and all that stuff. So this is when I realized that I didn't have the studs. So I was looking around, probably spent an hour and a half looking around for studs, couldn't find them. So I ended up just aborting that mission. So you can see that's this engine here that we're getting ready to put on the stand is going to be a Ppump 24 valve 6.1 build, which we will show probably a time lapse on, just for we're doing it in stages, so it's just one of those things. But that will be something coming up for you guys that want to see how to do that. We will show all that, or a bunch of it in time lapse, because it's just the same as assembling another engine. But it's you know, there's a few things that you need to do to do it, but not crazy as far as that goes. So I think at this point I am looking for, I must still be looking for the studs, I think. And I had a couple of customer pickups as well. So got the tube on there. I'm just putting the lifters in for the camshaft, and then got the camshaft out. I had to put the gear on, and I should have videoed how to do the gear, but I'll do a separate video for that for you guys that want to see a couple different ways to put the gear on, because there is a couple different ways to do it. But got the put the camshaft in, just lubed it up real good, you know, just like you normally would. Get everything lined up, and that has that in there. And I did put the oil pan on, but I guess I didn't video that. So anyways, got the valve cover on there as well. All right guys, so that's the end of the video. We're going to, the next video will be we're gonna set the engine, tranny and transfer case in the truck. So that'll be, there's still more to do on the Ppump 6.7 obviously, but that's gonna be the next video that I post. But that'll be in the Ppump 6, or in the in the shorty build series. So anyways, catch you guys on the next one. Like, subscribe, and comment, and